Hello everyone, Gambler Girl here, back doing some viewer wins. So this is the email address. If you want to send me some of your wins and have them shown on the channel, that would be amazing. So send them to gamblergirl777@gmail.com. You can get the links for Pragmatic, Real Kingdoms, No Limit City. Yeah, just load the game up. Top right hand corner, you should see a little circle in there. You can click on that, get the win you want to send me, and it'll pop up to give you a link, and then email that to me. So we will do a little compilation now, a few videos here, because I've got a load to get through, which is fantastic. So keep sending them in, guys. Your video will be on soon. Yeah, it'll probably be in a compilation, like I said, because I've got quite a few to do. So we will crack on with the first one. Mariah Holt, thank you so much. Let's have a look what you had. First up then, oh, it's Bigger Bass Blizzard. 54 pence then is the stake with the extra bet on. Oh, I was wondering what's going on then. Here comes the hook. Happy days. Sorry guys, no volume on this one because we're not allowed to play the music to these. You've got to put up with me. Right, I haven't watched any of these links, okay, that you'll see in this video. I never watch them because I don't want to know what happens. So we do it live like this. Right, come on then. There he is. Snowberry goes fishing in the ice, he does. He's turned into an Eskimo. Right, how does Mariah do on this then? Come on. Oh, that's a bit better. 720, 540. Happy days. I can't actually think how much that bet is then. Is it 30p or 40p or something on? With the extra bet, you know? Come on then. Still need two. There's one with a 720. Hopefully he's coming back in. Oof, cutting it fine, isn't he? Does that to me all the time on the last spin. I say all the time, I hardly ever win on any of these slots. But there we go. Right, 39.60. 10 extra spins. 2x now. Come on then. There he is. Cheeky little £8.64. Happy days. And just to clarify, guys, every one that you see, every bonus round you see in these videos that I make are all real money. You cannot get a replay on demo mode, just for the people that are questioning what's going on. They are all real. There isn't a video on my channel that is in demo mode, okay? I don't play demo mode, and these are all UK casinos. All right? So, two more needed. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, look at the 72 pences and the 180. It's naughty, innit? That could have been literally fivers. Never mind. 12.96. One more needed then for 3x. Come on now, Barry. I love seeing you guys win. I really, really do. And it's nice to show that we can still have wins playing in the UK without the need to go to crypto casinos. I like to show the UK casinos. Right. She's made it. And we're on the way to the 10x now, so happy days. One little head start on that. £65 so far then. So, okay. Come on then, 3x. Let's see how Mariah did. Come on now, does she get to the 10? Oh, a completely dead spin there with him. It's naughty, innit? Two needed, 6 spins. Come on, Barry. Oh, come on. Don't let us down. Oh, what do we got there? All right, 432. More importantly, one more needed now in these 4 spins. Hopefully, it's a good one. Yes! Happy days. Right, 22.68 there. That's a massive hit, isn't it? The win so far is 70 quid. 92.88 then. But more importantly, 10x. Happy days. Another 17.28. I love seeing the 10x wins. Amazing. Right, here we go then. 10 spins, 10x. Come on, big wins. Let it be huge. Let's go. Oh, that would have been awesome start. Oh, come on now, Barry. Don't mess around. Oh, there he is. Oh, my. Oh, there's an £18 fish. There's an £18 fish. Oh, my gosh, £320. OMG. That is absolutely amazing. What a hit. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, congratulations. This is already awesome. What's he going to do? Oh, and then he comes in with a blinking 14-pounder. Never mind. 445. 3 spins. Come on, Barry. Back you come. Oh, he's dying too, isn't he? Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Yes, that's nice. 90 quid. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Another 90 quid. 535. It's over 1,000x. There is again another £61. Boom, 59688. That is beautiful. Way over 1,000x because I can't remember what that bet would have been. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much, Mariah Holt, for that. That's an amazing win. Congratulations to you. Let's move on to the next link. Okay, next up we have James Barnes has sent me a video. Oh my gosh, big bass splash. £6 bet. Oh my word. This is a bit nuts. £6 bet. Oh, fair play, I tell you what. That is nuts. Right, starting from level 2. Any more mods? Yeah. Right. Okay, so level 2, 2 extra free spins, fish, and then the boot. Let's go then. Right, come on then, Barry. Let's go. £6. Phew, fair play. Is this going to be huge? Have we even seen a £6 bet on here before? Oh my gosh, 120 quid but there from the start, doubled. 264. That's insane. My gosh, fair play. Oh, here we go again. £48. Come on then. £312 in a couple of spins. Oh, another 120. This is nuts. 7 spins just to get one more for the 3x. My gosh. Splash seems to be the one you all love the most, mind. I definitely get more splash games than any of them. Come on, there he is. Oh my gosh, another 180 quid. I never know though what anyone has spent to get these bonuses, guys, right? Because it doesn't show that, and some people think it's fake because you only see the bet amount, you don't see the balance, but they never show the balance on replay links. It's just the actual bonus itself. Right, 3x achieved. One more spin. Anything? Oh my word. 300 quid fish there. 12 spins then. Does James get to 10x on £6 stake? Come on. I hope so. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, £936 in one hit. Oh my word, £1,500. This is madness. Another 36 quid. Wow. There he is again. Oh my gosh, is he going to make it? 7 spins. Surely he's getting another £180. Oh my gosh, look at this win amount. Wow. Crazy. I love it. I love you crazy people. Come on, one more. Oh, you're thinking now. Please, please get there. Oh no, come on. I really want to see it. Barry, no, don't do it to us. Barry! Oh, no way he doesn't, surely. Oh, that is really disappointing. Although still a beautiful amount of money, £1,765.20 on a £6 stake. That is really cruel, Lord James. I do actually feel a bit sorry for you as well, missing that 10x like that. But thank you so much for sending me that win. We will move on to the next. Next up, we have Gemma Barnes now. So I don't know if you're related to James or not, to be honest. But big bass splash, £40, little hook for the bonus. Well, this is a more like my kind of stake. £40. Right, let's see then. What has he got to give for this one? I actually haven't played Splash for a while myself. But you guys are keeping me really busy, so that's amazing. Because you're getting better wins than I am, so far more interesting to show your videos at the moment, guys. And I'm up to my eyeballs blinking decorating a house, so thank you all for giving me a little hand here. Right, come on then, starting from level 2, how does Gemma do? Oh, that's a lovely little start. Lots of money but there. Excellent. 920 double to 1840. Fab. That's a great start. 3 more. Come on. There's 1. Beautiful. Another 960. Get in there. Happy days. Come on then. £30 up to. Oh, I love it. He's coming in nearly every spin now. That's amazing. Exactly what you need. 1120 win there. 41. Already 100x. Get in there. Come on then. Let's go. There he is. Oh, that little tiddler now has probably stopped a bazooka there. Never mind. £45. 3x hit. Oh, and a little extra step on the ladder. 3 more spins as well. Come on. Get up that. Still keep going, keep going. Come on, Barry. All right, last one, and then we start the 3x. Come on, let's hope Gemma gets to the 10 extra spins. 12 extra spins, sorry. 10x. Come on, let's go. 3 needed. Can we do it this time? We don't want to see another one now that stops just before 10x, do we? There's 1 little tiddler, never mind. All add up tonight. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, was this? Oh, no way. Oh, I thought that was going to be caught then. Oh, there he is. All right, 1 more needed. Oh my God, you would have tripled down, wouldn't you? Oh. Come on, 1 more. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. She makes it. Well done, Gemma. Awesome. Come on, then. Love it. Just love getting to the end, innit? Amazing. You just need 1 tidy hit now. And you are laughing. That's all right. Another 720. Nowhere to go on the ladder. Right. Oh, all these 80p fishes. And you got a £2. 15 quid, and at the end of the day, happy days. Over £90. Right, come on then. Let's see what these 10x can do. Hopefully, go nuts. Come on, let's go. Come on, Barry, get in. Come on. Oh, there's £100 there then. Oh, he's naughty. £16. That's naughty, Barry. Come on, bigger fish, please. That will do. Oh, that would have been lovely. Oh, come on. Let's see his bazooka. Oh, Barry. Oh, 80p fishes everywhere in this game. There he is. Nice. It's £48. Lovely. Adds 50% to that, nearly. Amazing. 157 is a lovely amount of money. I have another 56. Beautiful. £213 on 40p is fabulous. Any more in the tank? 2 spins left. Oh, come on. Oh, a little 40 quid at the end. That's nice. £250 on 40p. Cannot complain at that, can you? That's beautiful. Well done, Gemma. Congratulations to you. Thank you so much. Right, I think we will do another one then. Right, the last one for this video. Oh, a regular Big Bass Bonanza pound steak. So KBT has sent me this. Thank you so much. Hey, do you know what? I think this is the first regular Big Bass we've had. So nice to see this. Come on then. Like I say, don't know what happens in a pound steak. Let's go. Oh, good old dead spin, Barry. Thank you. Although I don't mind that. With this skim, I always think rubbish wins to get you up to the 2x. So I'm quite happy with dead Barrys. Yeah, that's perfect. That is not a problem. This is what you want on this game, I think. And a £2. This is guaranteed now then to get there. So perfect. Now we can come in with loads of cash. That's better. This to me is the dream start of a bonus. Come on then. There he is again. Beautiful. On the way up to the 3x now already. Let's go. Now this one very, very rarely gets a 10x, does he? Very rarely. I didn't even think it could do it. I can't click on unless it's a big win, by the way. I didn't think he could do it, but I have had it myself. So let's see. Right, 2x then. Let's go. What are you going to do, Barry? Oh, nice. What was that, £11? All right, 22. Come on now. Let's get these wins rocking and rolling, yeah. 2 more. Come on, Barry. There he is. Lovely. Nice £30 hit. 8 spins now to get 1 more. Surely that's possible. Coming up to the 100x now. Excellent. I like seeing an original Barry, I gotta be honest. We don't play it much anymore, do we? Any of us, by the looks of it. So well done, KBT. Oh, come on. Come on now. What are you playing at? Hurry up, Barry, get in. Oof, cutting it fine, isn't he? Blinking heck, that's nice. So £74 hit, 3x achieved. Let's go. £166 now. At least it's easy to work out the X win on the when it's a pound steak. Come on then, 3x. Let's go. Does she get? I say she. I'm assuming it's she for some reason. Oh, nice. £75 hit. Sorted. Come on then. Come on, Barry. Get all the way, boy. Oh, it's cutting it fine. Oh, don't know. Don't know if it's going to do it. Don't look like, does it? Nah. Oh, it's a shame. Well, 24250. All right, lovely. Thank you for that, KBT. I appreciate you all sending me in your wins that you are proud to show on the channel. So that's amazing. Thank you, guys. I'm going to end the video there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep sending me your links. Bye for now.